whether you agree with the decision or not, this is going to be the ripple effect. That now when it comes to these lawsuits, I've talked about the multitude of lawsuits that our attorney general has gotten involved in. Well, they go into a district court. They're able to find a judge to, employ an injunction, which is a nationwide injunction until the Supreme Court hears the case. What this court has said is that that gives too much power to a district judge, that it was never intended that a district judge can put a blanket injunction across the country to stop something when a duly elected president. Now, this is going to go both ways. Everyone needs to understand this. If you are a Trump supporter and you are someone that believes he's right on the birthright citizenship issue or on the immigration issue or the other multitude of issues, then you're celebrating today. But remember, this also means there's a lot of times when it's on the other side of this, that when you elect a Democrat to the presidency and a Democratic president, let's say President Obama, who really, in many people's opinion, was the one who kicked off the idea of using executive powers to get things done very, very quickly. So it's not a good or bad. It was just, if you remember, the executive orders that were being generated by his office as well were being questioned by Republicans. When you go to court and you get an injunction, back then, the district court judges could stop something from being employed or something from going into it being enacted until the Supreme Court made a decision. This is going to mean, even more importantly for the American people, to be very careful who you elect to the presidency. If you're not a Trump supporter, I mean, again, elections have consequences. I'm not trying to criticize. I'm saying this is the case. Elections have consequences. They are saying this is what the presidency allows. It's a fascinating day. It is a fascinating day.